Animal Behavior of Quaker Parrot by Kirsten Santiago. The Quaker parrot is a small species of parrot native to South America, but they can be found in trees of forests of Miami and regions of central Argentina. They often live in large groups of over 20 parrots. They enjoy community living and have multiple nests in close proximity to each other, forming the bird equivalent of a highly community-oriented apartment complex. Many Quaker parrots are likely to mate for life, or at least mate for the season. Quaker parrot species is highly dependent on vision as a way to perceive and detect the world around them. They have a very large eye to body size ratio, and they can perceive green, blue, red, and ultraviolet light. They can focus light in order to focus on both close and far ranges, due to an adjustable lens within their eyes. Furthermore, they can also rotate their head on an axis, so they can perceive stimuli behind their head without turning their body, partially eliminating their blind spot. They are also reliant on their ability to hear, as their primary form of communication is through vocalizations. They can detect pitch fluctuations from 200 Hz to 8.5 kHz, as well as rhythm and tone changes. Parrots are food goal-oriented and exhibit positive trophotaxis when they forage for their food. The parrots also exhibit both negative and positive phonotaxis as they communicate with each other through vocalizations. If exposed to atrazine, a commonly used herbicide, it is likely that the parrots would experience damage to their organ systems, such as their heart and liver. The EPA has already noted risks to bird health from atrazine in studies of ducks. Therefore, it is likely that exposure to high levels of atrazine could be quite dire to the Quaker parrot populations. My scientific question is, how does a mating pairing influence a bird's behavior towards others versus when in a large group setting? My hypothesis is that if Quaker parrots are in a pairing, they will act more aggressively towards others not in a pairing. The term aggression is based on previous knowledge of the bird's behavior. This would answer Tinbergen's question of causation. Vocal sampling will occur in two groups, one being an individual with a mate pairing and one being an unpaired individual. They will be observed for 10 minutes, and behaviors such as biting, lunging, crouching, and wing clashing will be noted in the ethogram as delineated by the behavioral key. A comparison between the two individuals will help denote if there is a difference in behavior arising from mating relationships. This observational data will be enhanced using binoculars. This will allow an accurate depiction of their actions and behaviors to be noted on the ethogram.